Philippines, strong 6.4 magnitude earthquake, and a strong swarm of aftershocks keeps rocking Manila. But the whole of the Pacific Ring of Fire has very large earthquakes this past day. Let's take a look at the maps. This is Sizewell Berkeley. This is today's big swarm. And we've had the 4 shocks before that. Okay, they're pretty big. And this is just an aftershock, 4.7. So this is the one we're looking at, the main shock. And if we pull out, we'll see that the whole of the Ring of Fire is really rattling today with big earthquakes. This one here as well, Indonesia, 6.7, that's even bigger. And the aftershock here of 5.5. And let's go to this one, the, 6.7. And we could see that one there as well. The shake contours. And of course, this is the Pacific Ring of Fire. And pulling out. Sorry. Okay. And again, this was at UTC 21 hours. And this one was just about the same time, 21:05, and this was 21:09. This was 4 minutes later. You can see that they could have been perhaps somehow related. So besides that, we also have these just the past hour, the Kamchatka Peninsula earthquakes. We know that there's over 100 volcanoes in the Kamchatka Peninsula. So these things here, these 2 big earthquakes, happened just about 5 minutes from each other. The Indonesia and Jakarta, Indonesia. Of course, Jakarta has been moved by that as well. Okay, I went in too fast, sorry. And going back to the map. Where are we? Okay. Okay, it's down further. Okay, it's down further. I don't see it. Anyway, okay, it's around there. Jakarta, I'm sure, has been moved. And they're 5 minutes apart from each other. Of course, it's the Pacific Ring of Fire. And going back to this, regional information. The Philippine Sea, bordered by the larger Pacific Eurasian plates and the smaller Sunda. The whole thing here is, as you can see, full of plates. Pacific plate subducting into the mantle. South of Japan. And I don't know if Japan will be moved by this as well. It could be. We wouldn't be surprised if we saw. Well, these are today's earthquakes in Japan, 4.2. Okay, but you can see that even up here, that's active as well. And 5.1 New Guinea. Okay. The subduction zone characterized by rapid plate convergence, high level seismicity extending depths over 600 kilometers. And most of the plate interface has been associated with a few 8 magnitude megathrust earthquakes. The convergence is pretty fast here. Okay, they're talking about the past Philippine area earthquakes. I want to see how fast it goes. It goes pretty fast. Okay, I don't see it. But this has been pretty active lately because of the underground volcano in Tonga as well. Okay, this is 4.9. But, and here we have this one here, 5.1 New Guinea, we said. Okay, so this is what's happening here, very active today. Those are pretty big earthquakes. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.